Have you ever seen a man that has no arms? He's super skinny. Are you guys having trouble putting on mass, getting bigger arms? I'm going to give you the routine that I do at home. You don't need a gym for this. Also ask yourself, do you respect yourself as a man based on how you look? Because how I look, it will convey to other people how I act, how I think, how I feel, how I speak. And this also goes into confidence when you're speaking to other men. If you're trying to create a friend group, a social group, or talking to other women, you could start off with basics. Just do push-ups. If you can only do 20 push-ups, then do 20 push-ups. Do 5 sets. You can make it slow. This is another good workout for your triceps. If you don't have a dip bar, you can use chairs. I mean, I don't even need these. Okay. Or if you got a corner in your crib, here, use this. Figure out how to work out. There's no excuse for you not to work out. If you're a man, you better be getting it. Alright, these parallettes, I got them on Amazon. Maybe they're like 20 or 30 bucks. I'm not sponsored. Go all the way down. You can lean a little forward. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I was out of shape, I lacked confidence because I knew I was operating on only 40%. I felt like a piece of trash. I hated the way I looked and I hated the way I felt. Whenever I see myself and I'm not on point, it's disgusting to me. And later on, when you guys are on the self-development journey and you see your friends and your family or even other people that you have to associate with, it's going to be repulsive. So just understand that this journey, it can be lonely, and it's okay. It's a normal part of the process. Find new people that you could associate with. For the longest time, I told myself that I was average, and that's bullshit. Because I ain't average at this stuff. I put in my work, and that's why I look good. That's why I could be confident. That's why I could speak to you right now. And it's okay. We have ups and downs in life. If you're down on your chips, you could get back up and build. Be on point every single day. Because if I am not on point, if I'm giving half effort, I'm not even going to get half of the results, because I'm going to be frustrated. And to be able to build a body and a strong mind, I need discipline. I need to be able to go to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm tired. I need to be able to cook my food and weigh it out when I don't want to, when I'm hungry. This is another workout you guys could do. Get your body up. I could barely do it, honestly. If I can't do it, I would have to build up to that movement. Be aware of your friends and your family, because they could extort your love for them. And a couple examples are when I let my brother borrow money, I never got it back, and I just said, don't worry about it. And also for my father, he took out credit cards in my name and he went to the casino. These are things that could happen. Also, I was watching this movie, it's called Echo Valley. Sweeney Todd and Julianne Moore. Sweeney Todd, she's good looking in real life. In that movie, she's disgusting because she's a druggie. She's a really bad person, a bad daughter, and she got her mother to commit a crime. And she essentially extorted her mother by lying. If that's too easy, get a chair. You could get a chair and do the decline push-ups. Also think of your arm as the bicep, and then your bigger muscle is the tricep. So for your bicep, if you only have 10 pounds, use 10 pounds. Stack it like this. And then make sure you use all of your range. Squeeze at the top, feel the muscle-mind connection. Do the other side. So those are biceps, and then for triceps, I want you guys to do these. Put them together over your head and then go up. Make sure you keep it tight. You want a good shoulder to waist ratio, because it's gonna make you look a lot more muscular if you have nice arms and nice shoulders. Another workout is tricep kickbacks. Like I said, these muscles, they're bigger. So come up and I'm back. Another tricep you could do is you have it here and then you go up 1, 2. And increment up slowly so that you can build up to doing heavier weights. It prevents injury. Make sure you get warm before you're doing these things. Another one is to curl out. So these Another exercise you could do for your shoulders is shoulder press. So you take 2, you could go this way or you could go this way. Whatever you feel more comfortable with. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other shoulder exercises are these. And then go out on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then bend over like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Also for chin-ups, if you guys get a chin-up bar, go on Amazon. It's like 40 bucks. You can mount it on your door, and then you can pull up. Make sure you squeeze out the top, hold, and then go down 2-3 seconds, and then go back up. Focus on those kinds of exercises, and you'll get bigger arms and bigger shoulders. If you guys are in martial arts, you could do like shadow boxing. You could do jab cross, do 100, other side. You could do body shots. You could do 100 each arm. Boom, hook. And then hook to the face. Do those kinds of movements, 100 reps per side, per punch as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to whoever needs this content. The summer has started already. There's about 2 months, maybe 3 weeks left. So I hope you guys join me on this journey to get shredded and to become the healthiest person that you can be, because how I treat myself is how other people will treat me. If I'm not getting proper sleep, hydration, working out, getting my mind right by studying books, courses, those kinds of things, then it would affect my mental health. And if I have goals, then I will be happier in life, versus if I didn't have goals, I was spiraling, then I would embrace the dark side. And I want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to be healthy. And just know, it's the little things that matter the most. Build your system, set up your schedule so that you know exactly what you're doing. Set up Google Calendar events, set up these alarms so that you're hitting your priorities in life. I know we're all busy, we're all trying to work. It just makes things easier when we look the best that we can look, inside and outside. How I think, how I feel in my heart, it is important, and I know that you guys could do it, and I'm gonna be an example for you. I'll check you guys later.